Thank you for joining us tonight. Dane County health officials are outlining a new plan to reopen the county, hopeful that we're making progress.
It's being called Forward Dane. Madeline O'Neill shows us what the plan looks like and what restrictions are already being lifted tomorrow. Maddie?
Well, starting tomorrow, an emergency order allows disc golf courses and tennis courts to open. It also lifts travel restrictions that were part of the county's Safer at Home order, along with a criminal penalty for violating that. Businesses are also able to conduct minimum operations that will allow them to prepare to reopen safely as health officials put out guidelines on how they can do so.
We know that it's hard.
Hard to accept where we are because of the pandemic.
To not be able to be close to your friends and loved ones.
But Dane County health officials say we're getting closer to some type of normalcy, releasing a roadmap for phased reopening called Forward Dane.
We want to be able to provide information about what to expect.
The plan takes into account 9 metrics, including COVID-19 cases per day, tests conducted, and community spread, to determine when to move on to the next phase. With the new order, we're going into the prepare for safe reopen phase until at least May 26th. At that point, the county will see if we've met the criteria to enter phase 1 of the plan.
And that's when salons can open and you may be able to get more than takeout from your restaurant.
In phase 1, Director of Public Health Madison and Dane County, Janelle Heinrich, says most businesses will be able to reopen at a 25% capacity. In phases 2 and 3, restrictions are loosened. But health officials don't want to move too quickly. Each phase will last a minimum of 2 weeks, which equals 1 COVID-19 incubation period.
This is where we are for right now.
While it's not where most of us want to be, eager to get back to our favorite places.
Everyone, my family included.
Heinrich says what we do right now will determine where we end up and how quickly we get there.
The more we can kind of keep on doing what we've been doing, the better off we're all going to be.
There are a number of criteria that need to be met to move through these phases. We know these can be complicated and there's a lot to them. So for a complete breakdown, we do have a link on our website.